Yeah, man, I'm so glad that toilet plunger ended up working. Anyways, though, this 2023 has been kind of rough. Do you know any ways to, like, make money?
Bro, you should have told me sooner. Follow me.
Dang.
Alright.
Disclaimer, no money was borrowed in the making of this video.
Yeah, there was. Hey guys, it's Danny and Jesus, and in this video we're going to be talking about the 6 side hustles that you can implement for the remainder of 2023 going into 2024.
These 6 side hustles have the potential to make you anywhere from $100 to $3,000 and potentially even more depending on how seriously you take them. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe as it helps us greatly. And without further delay, let's get right into it.
If you want to make quick money and you don't want or have money to build a business, you can start off with our side hustle number 1, which is selling your unwanted items on Facebook Marketplace. We all have unwanted items that we no longer use and no longer need. So go ahead and look around your house and see if there's any sort of item that you know you can list on the Facebook Market platform. Once you have picked up your unwanted item, what you want to do is log into your Facebook. On the bottom, you're going to see Facebook Market. What you want to do is you click on Facebook Market, and then on the top left corner, you're going to see Sell. Click on Sell. Once you click on Sell, you're going to see Create Listing kind of in the center. What you want to do is you want to upload pictures of whatever unwanted item that you have, and make sure you get good angles. Another thing you want to do is you want to be very descriptive of what the item is. Look on Google, look on maybe other websites, and see how much that particular item is going for. You don't want to go too low, and you also don't want to go too high.
Another venture that is definitely worth getting into, especially with this fall weather coming up, is gutter cleaning. For those of you who don't know what gutters are, gutters form a drainage system on the side of your roof for whenever it rains. They collect rainwater and lead all this rainwater to a pipe which directs all the water to the side of your house. Most people would rather have clean gutters than having rainwater just falling all over the side of their roof. That's where you come in. The best thing is you only need minimal equipment, such as a ladder, a bucket, something to scoop the gutters clean with, and some gloves. Gutter cleaning is definitely something that all homeowners need but aren't willing to do themselves. Also, neighborhoods full of elderly people are willing to pay because they don't have the physical capability to do these type of services themselves. Since you get to dictate your own prices, you can realistically make a minimum of $200 per day. Let's say you were to charge $1 per foot of gutter cleaned, you would only have to clean 200 feet of gutter per day just to make that amount of money. And you can make even more if you were to get a whole community.
Alright guys, so this idea is for those of you who live in colder temperatures and have to deal with snow, which is snow removal. Although this may require a little bit of money up front, this could be a very good way to make some good money on the side, as people need to be able to access their driveways in and out. Some things that will be needed for this job will be some snow boots, a leaf blower, a snow pusher, and a snow shovel. You could also add additional services such as salting, and also make sure that you market yourself on social media platforms so that way you can establish some routes for yourself. You can build it to a point where communities are recommending you and you no longer have to do as much marketing, and you will find yourself having all these different jobs.
If you're someone that's into the sneaker game, then I got the side hustle for you, and that is sneaker reselling. I actually did this side hustle myself about 2 years back, and I could personally say that there's definitely good money to be made in this side hustle. And it also comes with many other benefits, such as that it teaches you to manage your profit margins, as essentially all it is just flipping an item for profit. All sneaker reselling is purchasing a shoe that is in high demand using certain apps such as the Nike Sneakers app. You can then utilize apps such as StockX or the Go app to get a good idea of the current market value of that shoe, so that you then know at what price you can realistically sell that shoe at. After finding out at what price you can sell these shoes, you can then leverage different social media platforms such as Facebook Marketplace and put them up for sale. Messaging back and forth with different customers definitely helps improve your negotiation skills. Not only does this side hustle come with many different benefits, such as helping develop your marketing skills when putting up your shoes on social media, It can also land you very good money. I can personally attest that you can make upwards of $100 or even more per flip.
Another great side hustle that you can do is vending machines. Now, this is a personal side hustle that I did a while back, and I could definitely say that it could be a great form of passive income depending on the location that you get. Also keep in mind that with this side hustle, this will require a little bit of upfront capital, just because a vending machine, depending on the one that you get, can cost anywhere from $600 and upwards of $5,000. Also keep in mind that there is a product cost, just because you will have to stock up your machine. Something great about vending machines is how passive it can be. Once you have your location established and your vending machine there, it's very passive, just because the only times you really have to be there is when you need to restock your machine, when there's any sort of troubleshooting issues, and also a bill jam. The pro tip that I can give is that you definitely want to find a location first before getting a vending machine. This is a mistake that I did in the beginning, and it's because if you don't have a location, you're gonna have your vending machine just sitting still at your house, and it can be an inconvenience just because they are a little big and sometimes it's difficult to find a storage place for them. So you definitely want to have a location. Another pro tip that I will give is when you're talking to a location owner, do not bring up a percentage pay. Just simply go in there, talk to them. Most of the time, owners will see as you providing a service to their potential clients. So don't bring up a percentage of pay unless they bring it up to you. When you don't have a percentage pay agreement, it essentially means that you will not pay rent, which means that you will have more profit. Also keep in mind that vending machines are very big and they're very bulky, so they can definitely be very difficult to be moving around. But by the same token, a vending machine business can make you anywhere from $100 to $3,000 plus per month, and that's only with one machine. The most important thing about operating a vending machine business is the location. So when you are trying to find a place to put your machine, make sure that that specific area has a high enough foot traffic, as this will be the determining factor of how much income you make.
Last but not least, when it comes to these side hustles, is starting a junk removal business, as this is another type of business that people would rather pay someone else to do than doing it themselves. Many people have old appliances and random junk just sitting in random spots in their house, such as their basement, attics, and yards. And this type of business can be done all year, so it's not just seasonal. Although you will need some money up front to start, it can still be very profitable, as you can even charge extra for removing larger items such as fridges and other types of appliances. Not only that, but you can even double your profit, as you can sell some of these items to local scrapyards. The other positive of doing junk removal is you can start it as a small side hustle, but it is very scalable, and you can build this up to be your full-time job and make a lot of money in revenue per year.
Thank you guys for watching this far. I would highly recommend checking at least one of these side hustles out, because they have some benefits that we did not even mention, such as sales experience and dealing with customers face to face.
If you like this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing. Likes and comments are also greatly appreciated. See you guys next time.
Danny and Jesus out. Actually, we're just playing. We're really not out. Oh, no, we are. Yeah, we are.